Elephants are practically unstoppable. This punk is stalking its next victim. Not usually aggressive to other species, this rhino female has no cause for alarm. She may have poor eyesight, but she can still smell and hear the punk nearby. He casually pretends he's on a stroll through the bush. The rhino doesn't want any trouble. The punk hits her rear, almost bowling her over. The rhino swipes back. The white rhino weighs in at over 2 tons and has a front horn up to 5 feet long. The horn can be a lethal weapon. Made of keratin, the same as claws and nails, rock solid and anchored deep into her thick hide. Its large neck hump is pure muscle for lifting its heavy head, giving a powerful upward swing. The punk keeps coming. The rhino's horn is not attached or grown from bone, but is formed from fused hair that grows continuously from its skin. The punk slams into the rhino with the weight equivalent to 2 SUVs. If the punk knocks the rhino over, he could kneel on her, crushing ribs and vital organs. The rhino's body shape gives it a lower center of gravity and good balance, making it hard for the punk to roll her over. The rhino's faster and makes her escape.